around? Huh? Huh? Shut up! Come here! Where did he go? Oh, you pesky Where did he? No words. Even the doorbell is mocking me. Aha! Where did he go?
Let's go already! Let's go! I can't do what I don't like. I want to live freely. I need to create a smoke screen.
Huh? Silence! Are there kids fooling around? Huh? Huh? Shut up!
Oops. I need to get back to my room quickly.
Stop. Who are you barking at over there? Silence!
Phew. I thought I was done for. Darn it. The front door is locked. And Mom probably has the key.
Damn! So much smoke! Huh? Huh? Where did she go? Where's hiding? Just you wait. Get up! Her son decided to run away!
You rascal!
You got away!
You rascal! Just let me know where you are.
I'm coming! Ha-ha! That little bugger! Where did he go? Wait a minute! Who was that? No words! Even the doorbell is mocking me! Hiding! Just you wait! I'll show you! That little bugger!
Oh, you little brat! Ah, you rascal!
If I move while crouching,
Hiding!
my parents won't hear me.
Just you wait! Where did he go? Aha! Try hiding! Just you wait! Come here! Where did he go? Come here! Where did he go? Try again without cheating. That little bugger! Aha! Hiding! Just you wait!
Just let me know where you rascal!
Don't make your father get the bell! Where did he go?
Oh, where did she go?
Come here!
Oh, damn! So much smoke! Where did she go? How do you strike? Andrew! I would show them how it's done. Where did she go? Hiding! Just you wait. Come out! Why don't you always play like this? How do you strike? What an idiot! Where did she go?
Oh, you pesky bugger! Where did she go?
I will show them how it's done.
Who's that brave out there? Where did she? Oh, you pesky bug! Where did?
Who kicks like that?
Oh, you pesky bug! Where did she? Ah, no words! Even the doorbell is mocking me! Aha! Where did she go? Enough! Aha! Ah! Who's that brave out there? Oh, you... No words!
Where are you
Even
going?
the doorbell is mocked! Aha! Enough! Oh, you rascal! Got away!
Much longer.